like a random thing to do, like it doesn't make any sense.
I still cannot understand the rationale and the idea and the intent and the purpose and the objective behind this move.
पहले आप नेशनल एंथम गाओगे, उसके बाद उस मूवी में किसिंग सीन चल रहे हैं, सेक्स सीन चलेंगे, तो मतलब ये क्या चीज़ है?
I find it very shallow.
I mean, patriotism is clearly being shoved down everyone's throats.
And I feel like it's not okay to like force people to be respectful of democracy, and we don't need to keep proving to the world that we're Indian and we love this country and we feel for the country, because I think that that's only an insecure nation needs to keep doing that.
I have a couple of questions in mind. Can the government ensure that people, for whatever reasons, are unable to stand up during the national anthem at the movie theatre, will not be beaten up by overzealous nationalists and patriots? Secondly, after this forced instillment of nationalism in the hearts of people, will those same people, when they leave the theatre, can it be ensured that they will not break any laws?
And clearly, this is just an administrative move of power and control and asserting an idea of India, because this is how you quash any kind of dissent. This is how you force people to stand up and make them do what you're telling them without them actually understanding why they're patriotic.
If you stand and sing, then you are a nationalist, and if you don't do it, if you do otherwise, if you keep on sitting, then you are an anti-national.
I think it is our prerogative, it is our right to decide what we want to do, what not. I mean, I can still live with no beef, but I cannot live with you robbing me of my nationalism just because I decide not to pay respect to a so-called national anthem.
पहली बात तो अगर नेशनल एंथम चल रहा है तो हमें अपने आप खड़ा होना चाहिए, कोई रूल्स नहीं है। और सर आप मूवी की बात कर रहे हो तो पहले आप नेशनल एंथम गाओगे, उसके बाद उस मूवी में किसिंग सीन चल रहे हैं, सेक्स सीन चलेंगे, तो मतलब ये क्या चीज़ है? अगर तुम सच्चे पैट्रियोटिज्म है तुम्हारे अंदर, तो तुम बंदे को मतलब टैक्स दे, अपना करप्शन के लिए करे, ये सब चीज़ें होनी चाहिए, ना कि तुम मतलब नेशनल एंथम खड़े होकर गाओ, इससे कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं होता है।
Is forced instillment of the idea really workable in a democratic setup? Patriotism comes from here, not from here.